Website analytics is the process you go through and the tools that you use to analyze how your website is performing. So, we live in this age where a lot of business owners believe if they build it, they will come. And that's simply not the case. You have to use really, really top-notch tools that help you analyze your traffic, your advertising spending, how your keywords are performing, how long people are staying on your pages, where they're going once they hit your homepage, how long are they sticking around. There are all kinds of metrics that website analytic tools allow you to monitor. What are your goals? Are you looking for e-newsletter signups? Are you looking for people to recommend your site to other people? Are you looking for people to sign up for a white paper or to request something to happen specifically, like a return phone call? Are you interested in educating them with some particular content that's on your site? Understanding how your customers are engaging with your site, specifically related to your goals, is critical. And so being very goal-oriented is important. You have to know how your website is performing. So website analytic tools like Omniture and Google Analytics will help you identify how your site is performing in a variety of different categories. As a part of benchmarking, make sure that you're adjusting once you're identifying results. So it's not enough just to create a report and circulate it amongst your management team that says, here's how the site is performing. This seems very, very basic, I learned this in kindergarten kind of stuff, and it's a cliche, but you have to create actionable items off of the data that you're generating. So if you're finding that people are leaving your page too quickly and your analytics program is telling you that, then it's time to adjust. It's time to do some A/B testing and launch a second version of that page and make some tweaks here and there and find out if a different color scheme, different calls to action, different messaging, different actual words and grammar and punctuation are going to make a difference, are going to resonate with your customers a little bit more. So always be correcting and tweaking as you go. That's really the whole purpose of having an analytics program in place, is that you want to be able to create actions based on the data that you're receiving. Also, and this somewhat relates, it's sort of get into a topic here about landing pages, but you want to make sure that whatever traffic source is driving traffic to your site, that the messaging that's on your site is aligned with what that traffic source is talking about. There's nothing worse than coming to a site as a result of a banner ad that you've placed or a pay-per-click ad, and then not being able to find the call to action that ad specifically talks about. So if I'm encouraging people to come to my site to sign up to receive a white paper on the latest and greatest thinking around topic X, Y, or Z, and I get to the site and that information isn't there, or it's hard to find, then you've really missed the opportunity and you've missed the boat in terms of making a conversion. And your analytics program should be able to tell you that. But more importantly, you should be able to look at your site and know that yourself.